So my name is Sue Mays, and I am owner of Citywide of Southwest Connecticut. When we opened our Citywide, almost, 2 years ago, we wanted to be very involved in the community. And we started out by talking with nonprofit agencies in the area. I have a very generous staff, and they're already people who will come to the aid of others in a heartbeat. So what we did is we talked to some of the nonprofits in our area and found out that we could help through mentoring. So that's how we really began our whole, real involvement with the community, mentoring young adults. So we're all successful people, in my office. So, all of a sudden we've got these bright individuals who are just looking for someone to tell them if they're on the right track or how they can get on the right track. And then we do this every month. We're each mentoring an individual. So that's one way that we've been able to get involved in the community. Other ways are through our clients. We have clients who are nonprofits who always need help, and I found it to be unbelievable when I'll put the notice out to my independent contractors too. There's going to be an event this Saturday, such and such company. I know that not all of you clean it, but if you've got some free time and you'd like to volunteer, they could really use some help manning tables, cleaning up the lawn if it's being held out on a lawn afterwards. And I have been very pleasantly surprised. Not only is my staff there, but easily 50% of my independent contractors will show up with their families to volunteer time as well.